Hey guys, in this video, we're going to go over how to create a task in ClickUp. Now it's very easy. I'll show you in different views. So we can go ahead and create a task from here. We're in the board view. Okay, just come and click on add task. For example, task 5, right? You can go ahead and add the dates, whatever date this task is needed by. So the due date would be, let's say, the 1st of May. And the start date, we will go ahead and pick it to be today. Okay? So these are the dates when this task can be done. You can add an assignee right here. So you'll have to enter their email. Okay? If they're in your team, perfect. You can just go ahead and click there. So I'll just assign myself, for example. There we go. So you assign someone. They can add a priority as well. So if it's urgent, you can go ahead and flag that as urgent as well. So if you come over to list view, I'll show you how to add a task. You can just come here, click on add task. So these are completed tasks. So let's see here. We just type this task 6, for example. And there you go. I've just created a task, right? And it's really that easy.